Hi, yesterday I have a task to search for the best cloud provider for Kubernetes because we're planning to move to Kubernetes. We are using Elastic Bean at the moment, and then we want to move to Kubernetes for several reasons. But the takeaway here is many projects I join, they are stuck with one cloud provider. So if they are using Azure, they are using Azure. If they are using Google, they are using Google. They don't go and search for another cloud provider to solve their problems, which is might be sometimes might be the case that they have some restrictions, for example, legal restriction, accounting restriction, or so on. But technically, I don't think this is a good idea. I'll give you my experience. So we have, for example, a use case where user they upload the images on several areas, like several screens. They upload images, and those images should be stored and resized to be served in a different dimensions. So for example, user upload his profile picture, and then profile picture should be in portal, sometimes it should be an icon, sometimes so different dimensions. So we have to choose a cloud provider which will solve this problem, and here is what I found. So we have one option to use AWS with S3, but this option required more code. You have to write more code so that you do the resizing part. So you can S3 will store the image, but the resizing you have to do it. Another option was Cloud Fla. So the solution they have, it was new solution by then. The solution they have is to store the image and resize the image, but you don't have enough administration. You can't control folders or where the image is stored and so on. There is no enough administration, and the API is a bit limited. Third option was Firebase. Firebase have a plugin which is used so that you resize the image and you store it. But the issue was it happens before the resize happening before the store, and if you add new dimensions, you have to do the migration for the old images by yourself. Like you write some code so that you can change the existing image, you change the dimension to the new dimensions, which is a bit like kind of bad limitation. The fourth option I found, which is fit our use case, was Cloudinary. Cloudinary, they have SDK so that you can upload the image, you can resize the image on serve, so you don't have to worry about all the images how they have been resized, and at the same time you can store, upload the image, and also give you like a control. It give you administration. You have a very good administration panel and administration options as well, which is very good. So the takeaway is, we have four solutions. We have four options, and then we have to choose the best. Now, if we were stuck, for example, with AWS, we have to go a long path to solve this problem. So, like just from my own experience, if you are working in any project which is using cloud, check the options. Don't be stuck with one. Thank you.